In a landmark study published in Nature Genetics, researchers have mapped the cells and genes regulating bone formation and loss at an unprecedented scale. This global effort, led by teams from the Garvan Institute, Mater Research, and Imperial College London, has revealed hundreds of previously unknown genes that play crucial roles in bone health. By combining genomic sequencing with data from 500,000 individuals, the team has fundamentally enhanced our understanding of skeletal disease. This breakthrough is poised to transform how we approach bone health and disease, offering new hope for millions worldwide. Research team used state-of-the-art single-cell RNA sequencing to measure which genes are active within individual bone cells. Their focus was on the interface between hard bone and bone marrow, the key site for bone formation and breakdown. This detailed mapping allowed them to identify 34 distinct groups of cells and define the genes active in each type. Surprisingly, more than half of the genes identified had never before been linked to bone health. This discovery opens new avenues for understanding how bones are maintained and repaired throughout life. One of the most surprising findings was the critical role that blood vessel cells play in bone health. Traditionally, these cells were not considered major contributors to bone repair and maintenance. However, the new genomic map revealed that cells surrounding blood vessels are drivers of bone repair, a role that has been underappreciated until now. This insight could lead to innovative therapies targeting these cells to improve bone regeneration and treat skeletal diseases. By analyzing genetic and bone density data from the UK Biobank, the team pinpointed which cells drive skeletal diseases such as osteoporosis and osteogenesis imperfecta. The UK Biobank, one of the world's largest health databases, provided comprehensive biological samples from 500,000 people. This allowed researchers to identify not only the cells regulating bone formation and loss, but also blood vessel cells with previously underappreciated roles. These findings are crucial for developing targeted therapies for both common and rare bone disorders. Discovery of hundreds of genes governing bone health is expected to accelerate the development of new therapies. Most current drugs focus on halting bone disease rather than rebuilding lost bone, which is essential for reversing damage. With this new knowledge, researchers hope to create medicines that not only prevent diseases like osteoporosis but also restore bone health. This could offer hope to nearly half of individuals over 50 living with skeletal conditions, as well as those with rare bone disorders and cancers that spread to bone. Professor Peter Croucher explains that bones are not static. The human body replaces its skeleton every 10 years or so. This ongoing process is vital for maintaining bone strength and health. Until now, our understanding of the cells and mechanisms controlling bone turnover was limited. The new genomic map provides a clearer picture, highlighting the importance of both bone and blood vessel cells in this dynamic process. This knowledge is key to developing treatments that can reverse bone damage. Professor Croucher notes that the research uncovers new therapeutic opportunities, not only for bone disease but also for cancer. Bone is a common site for dormant cancer cells and relapse. By identifying the cells and genes that drive bone turnover, researchers can develop strategies to prevent cancer metastasis. This dual benefit underscores the importance of the genomic map, which is now accessible to medical researchers worldwide via an open access platform. Groundbreaking data from this research has been made available to medical researchers globally through an open access platform. This resource is expected to speed up the development of new therapies for bone diseases and cancer. By sharing this knowledge, the team hopes to foster collaboration and innovation, ultimately leading to better outcomes for patients suffering from skeletal conditions. The accessibility of this data marks a significant step forward in medical research. Genomics is revolutionizing our understanding of bone health. By analyzing the genetic makeup of bone cells, researchers can identify the factors that contribute to bone formation, maintenance, and disease. This approach allows for personalized medicine, where treatments can be tailored to an individual's genetic profile. The new genomic map is a powerful tool for advancing bone health research and developing targeted therapies. Research also sheds light on rare bone disorders such as osteogenesis imperfecta. By mapping the genes and cells involved, scientists can better understand the underlying causes of these conditions. This knowledge is essential for developing effective treatments and improving the quality of life for those affected. The genomic map provides a foundation for future studies on rare skeletal diseases. Bone is not only important for structural support, but also plays a role in cancer biology. Dormant cancer cells often hide in bone, making it a common site for relapse. The new genomic map helps identify the cells and genes involved in bone turnover, which could lead to strategies for preventing cancer metastasis. This connection between bone health and cancer highlights the broader impact of the research. The team is now investigating the roles of newly discovered bone-regulating cells and genes. Their goal is to develop new medicines targeting these cells and genes. By continuing to explore the genomic map, researchers hope to uncover additional therapeutic targets and improve treatments for skeletal diseases. The ongoing research promises to bring new solutions for bone health and disease management. As people age, bone health becomes increasingly important. Nearly half of individuals over 50 are affected by skeletal conditions such as osteoporosis. The new genomic map provides insights into how bones change with age and what can be done to maintain bone strength. This information is vital for developing strategies to prevent bone loss and promote healthy aging. Success of this research was made possible by collaboration between institutions and the use of advanced genomic technologies. By working together, scientists were able to achieve a comprehensive understanding of bone health. This collaborative approach is essential for tackling complex medical challenges and driving innovation in the field. In summary, the new genomic map of bone health represents a major advance in medical science. By identifying hundreds of genes and mapping the cells involved in bone formation and loss, researchers have opened new possibilities for therapy and prevention. The findings offer hope for millions living with skeletal diseases and provide a foundation for future research. As the data becomes more widely accessible, the pace of discovery and innovation is expected to accelerate, bringing better health outcomes for all.